The organizer of a Gofundme page, which was established to assist the family of the policeman killed in the June 12 operation in Horizon Park, St. Catherine, has accepted that protocols were not followed in setting up the account. Anthony Lugg reports.
If that was not already a task for relatives and friends, days after, news emerged that a GoFundMe account had been set up to assist the grieving families. The parents of Constable Ricardo Hilton, who was killed during the operation, said they did not sanction the fundraiser. Speaking on Radio Jamaica's call-in program hotline, chairman of the GoFundMe account, Dr. Rupert Francis, apologized for not contacting the family prior to establishing the account. He said contact has since been made and an agreement has been reached for a scholarship account to be established in the name of Constable Hilton.
I've spoken to two families and I've gotten a response. I tried to call the third family, but the response was they're in agreement with the GoFundMe, but the third family, the Hilton family, I spoke to them and said they'd rather have a scholarship fund in the name of Ricardo Hilton. And we agreed. We said that was the whole idea. We want to see a permanent fund set up so that policemen and women who fall into this category or whatever category, I think, for building morale when something like this happens.
It's understood that Constable Hilton's image was removed from the GoFundMe account.
Having spoken to the family and the mother to be specific, and she said that she would like to see this. Now, we're in a quandary as to what to do because we are saying, my personal view is that, I would like to continue to do this for the benefit of the police. The police need this type of support now. The military has it, but the police does not have it.
Yeah, so you can do it, but don't use Constable Hilton's image. That's what the mother is saying. She wants a scholarship fund. Did she say she would like you to administer the scholarship fund or to set it up?
No. We don't want to have anything to do with it. We would like to find someone or an institution that the money will go to, that is responsible, that the money will go to, that they and the Jamaica Constabulary Force can find a way of working with the scholarship fund.
Meanwhile, Dr. Francis says the money raised via the GoFundMe account will be given to the family of slain cop Corporal Dane Biggs and the other two officers injured in the Horizon Park attack.
Can I ask you, do you know at the moment how much money is there in the GoFundMe since you've set it up?
Yes, so far it is $756 right now.
And since the Hilton family say they want nothing to do with it, do you then intend to turn it over to the Biggs family? All of this to the Biggs family, or how do you think it will go?
Give it to the Well, it was for the injured as well, so the Clooney family, because he was seriously injured, and we don't know when he's going to come back.
Oh, okay. And Richards as well, the other constable. Yes, two other constables.
But we are hoping that after this controversy, which was unintentional, and they know that now, that we would be able to continue and see if we can get this seed planted so that we can now look at see if we can help the policemen in the future.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.